All right, today I'm testing another spicy marinara. Just happened to be in the store casually looking and found something new. And I'll be testing it with the Barilla Mini Penne. If you've been watching any of my reviews on the spicy pasta sauces, you know the pastas that I've been trying of the pennes, I really like the Barilla best. So we're going to stick with what I know for the pasta and start with something I don't know with the sauce. Let's take a closer look at this jar. This is called Yo Mama's Spicy Marinara. Fresh ingredients, no sugar added. Okay, yada, yada, yada. Let's skip around here. There's a little story about being made in the USA, so obviously not from Italy. What are the ingredients and nutrition facts? We've got tomatoes, I hope, fresh onions, fresh garlic, white wine, oh, olive oil, basil, cayenne pepper, there's your spice, salt, oregano, black pepper, and crushed red pepper, vegan and gluten-free. We'll give it a good shake. Let's get to cooking. All right, so here's what the finished dish looks like. Might have made a little too much sauce, but it smells so good. And here we have it. And yeah, this sauce smells fantastic. It's not too watery. It looks like a proper gravy, if you will. And of course, the Barilla Mini Penne is my favorite. So I'm giving this sauce the best chance I can to like it. Now, this jar lid was one of the most difficult I've ever had to open. You might need a jar opener. I mean, I'm a big, strong man. It could happen. And I had a hard time opening that with a jar opener, but I have a backup jar opener, and that got the lid off. Holy moly, that thing was on there. Just be ready. All right, let's see if it tastes as good as it smells. Mmm, yo mama. Wow. Now I see why they call it yo mama. That is tangy. It's not too sweet. Tomatoes have a nice fresh flavor to them, which I wasn't expecting. I think that I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to the San Marzano from Italy, but it just goes to show if you make it right. And you know, just because they're not San Marzano tomatoes, I guess other tomatoes are good too. Mm. Why is this so good? I don't even like white wine. There's a little bit of spice in it. It's not much. It's there, but it's not gonna burn the inside of your mouth or cause you to rush to get some water. It's just a little bit of zest. Okay, maybe it's because I'm hungry. This is my new number one. Believe me, I'm as surprised as anybody. What's your favorite pasta sauce, Carrie? Yo mama. Excuse me? Yo mama. Yo mama's spicy marinara is my favorite. Anyway, that's how I got the black eye. This is definitely a winner. In fact, so much so, I'm ending this video now so I can finish this. Yo mama. It's good.